GC Go Gaming Anime Central, where we review video games and also unboxing of anime and gaming figures. At this channel, we will be discussing different topics, but today I had my first YouTube unboxing. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's get to it. Start out with the small packages. This is for Toronto. It's from Canada. Vegeta bobblehead. These were made back in like 2001. I already had the Goku one. Still looking for the Piccolo one to complete the little set. It's a little simple bobblehead. Got it for a cheap price. Pretty good. This one is from Linwood. It's kind of light. I don't know what it is. This is my Dragon Ball Z Golden Frieza Summer Convention exclusive. A little bit damaged in the box. It's okay. I needed to complete my set. And Funko Pops up there. Yeah, Golden Frieza. This is from Japan. I have no idea what the hell this is. Oh, I know what this is. This is good packaging. It comes with a little piece. Little X. It's cape. Yeah, I don't know where this goes. Good figure. Stop it.
Right.
It's a good quality figure. The small one, this is from Philadelphia. This is the Son Goku Entertainment Earth exclusive Glow in the Dark. Another pop figure. Trying to complete my collection. No damage to the box. Get to the big ones. This is from Jackson. I don't know which year. Oh, this is the Initial D DVD collection. Full seasons and movies. Big Initial D fan. If you've never watched Initial D, if you like racing movies or TV shows, this is a show I would definitely recommend. It might be old, but it still holds up. Okay, it's a pretty big box. Oh my god. I didn't think it was gonna be this big. This is Final Fantasy Cloud action figure. Big Final Fantasy fan. Saw this on eBay. It goes for eBay for around like 200. I got it for an auction, $90 because the box is damaged. It doesn't really matter. It's a good collection if you're into Final Fantasy. And I'm very starting to collect Final Fantasy figures, so this is a good collection. Good haul. I really enjoy it. I'll be reviewing that one later on, unboxing it. Final one. So I got that. I got the Advanced Children Play Art action figure Cloud. Strife. This is starting to go my collection. It opens up right here. I don't know if I'll be taking out this box or not. I have to see in the future. Looking to collect all of them. Well, that's all the unboxing I have for you today. I'll be posting a video weekly. If you enjoy watching this video, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.
Oh, stop.